These days there are a lot of headphones in the market, and the one feature that actually attracts all the customers is active noise cancellation. And in this video we are going to talk about what is active noise cancellation, how it works, and we are also going to talk about the different types of noise cancellation techniques. So watch this video till the end to know more. ANC is nothing but active noise cancellation, but before we take a look onto that, we have to see what are the types of noise cancellation available in the headphone market. Number one is passive noise cancellation. Now it's very simple. Passive noise cancellation simply works through a physical element like the ear tip which we use or the cushion which we use in our headphones. So these are some of the physical aspects which actually cancels out a bit of a noise which is produced in the background. So using a physical element to cut out the noise is passive noise cancellation. But when it comes to active noise cancellation, there is a separate technology which involves in cancelling out the unwanted noises. And that is basically by using a secondary microphone in each of the earpieces which records the immediate background noise and process it to an active noise cancellation chip, which in turn passes out an opposite signal to the sound wave that's actually captured through that secondary microphone. It's basically the concept of +1 and -1 is equal to 0. So +1 will be the unwanted noise that's captured through the microphone, and -1 will be the opposite signal of that +1 signal which is captured, which will cancel the noise which is equal to 0. So there are basically three types of noise cancellation techniques when it comes to active noise cancellation. Number one is feed forward noise cancellation. This feed forward noise cancellation is nothing but a microphone will be placed in the exterior part of the headphone, like you can say the back part of the stem. This actually records the immediate background noise and processes it to the ANC chip, and that chip will actually process an opposite signal of the recorded sound which cancels out the noise. This is feed forward active noise cancellation technology. The second one is feedback active noise cancellation technology, which the mic will be situated inside the ear tip or near the ear tip. So that actually records the unwanted sound that only you'll be able to hear, so that the opposite signal of that sound will be processed by the ANC chip which is inside the earphone. So this is feedback active noise cancellation technology. And the last and final is hybrid, and as the name suggests, it's the mixture of the best both technology, feed forward and feedback. So the microphones will be there on the outside as well as the inside. The unwanted noise will be captured and will be processed through the ANC chip. The same is the process for all the technology. What is common is the way how it works. It actually captures the noise, processes it to the ANC chipset, processes an opposite signal which actually cancels out all the noise. So as I said, the +1 -1 is equal to 0. This is the basic explanation that I can give you for active noise cancellation. Now you get to know what is noise cancellation, how active noise cancellation works, what are the types of noise cancellation available. Yeah, if you end up liking watching my content, a like to this video would be absolutely great. And hey, don't forget to press the subscribe button and also share this video with all your friends, and also press the bell icon to get all the notifications for the future videos that I upload in my channel. So this is me, Arnav, signing off on the video. Until the next one, stay home, stay safe, take care, and bye-bye.